Hello dear viewers and new visitors of my channel. Today I have another short haul video for you, but this time it's going to be regarding technical items for using with computers. So let's start with the items that I was looking for a long time for storing my SanDisks, which are the memory cards. So I found finally at 99-cent store hardware storage case just for 99 cents, and I already stored 3 of my SanDisk, Lexar and Pixter memory cards for my YouTube channel videos and images. This is a great item. If you have 99-cent store around, you may find this great item. At the beginning, when I went to 99-cent store, I found these peeled boxes starting from Sunday through Saturday, and they open and you may use them for the memory cards as well. But if you can't find the other one, just pick up these ones. These are also cool. And I measured, they have enough space to store about 5 different memory cards in one spot, so you will save lots of money with this. Going to another storage box. This is for batteries, but I'm using it for storing one of my external hard drives, and then I'm storing my charger, and I'm storing my USB car charger here for my iPhone. This is a good item. You may even store your memory cards in these smaller pockets or whatever they are called. And by the way, I saw this same thing at Fry's, but it was $3.50 or something like that. So in case you don't have 99-cent store, you may go and check out the Fry's electronics store. They may still have it. I've also got this Selfie 3-in-1 mobile lens kit. Actually, one of the YouTubers, I don't remember her name now, but she was showing this on her channel, and she said that it's a great item. You clip it somewhere in case you are alone. It has a clip, so you attach this and then you make your selfie. It also comes with a small pouch. It's really neat. Look here, that's the lens, and you may also put the lens to maximize it or whatever you want to do. It's a really cute item, again for $1, so it's a great item. Go and check your 99-cent store. Let's continue with the last 2 items. One of them is this stereo headset, which I got for, again, from 99-cent store, and it's with microphone. This one is selfie stick, which actually is fitting for springtime because it has nice smiley faces, so you may use this, and it's $1.99 by the way. Hope you like my today's short haul video, and if you like it, please put your thumbs up and write down your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. The button is below. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and bye bye.